Okay. Oh, 10 a.m. here too. Didn't do nothing. Hello, hello, hello. Are we good? Are we good? Volume check. Okay. Good morning. Get set up here. Watching PW. Come on, chat. Let's not try to lose money here. There's a choice to not watch them instead of watching. Wow, look at this weekly. This is like really exploding up here. Look at this. Barely any wick under. I want to. We did deep drive. Honestly, I want to see if this session was just turned back down. Because if it just keeps on grinding up, it's gonna be very difficult for us to take trades. But if it does rebalance, then we have something to work with. So 4 hour here. There's a very large divergence, right? Just mark this out here. Good morning, good morning. I haven't traded AM in a long time. Not like regularly, so we're gonna have to really see what we can work with today. This is a really good hourly here. I like this. We already retraced inside. We did a big push back up. And we get a flip. I think we can really take this back down. I'll also mark out this breaker. Like I think if we get this flip here, we'll just go straight to the breaker here. That makes a lot of sense to me. Just clear up my chart a little bit. Just gonna mark everything out first before we get started. Oh, this is also a good closure here on the 15-minute here. And then yeah, again, just massive SMT today. Shit. Let's mark this out. What just happened? I mean, yeah, it looks like tech is starting to flip this candle. But I need to fix this glare. So yeah, we're starting to flip lower here. This looks good. This looks good. 15-minute closure here. This is most likely the next short or I'm gonna play. See if I have everything connected today. Okay. All right, we're good to go. All right, so yeah, next 15-minute closure in 10 minutes. I want to see if we can get some follow through. I don't think this is looking that appealing for longs. I can definitely see a retrace back up, but it does look like we're trying to flip lower. Can see like a 1-minute breaker here too, but I'll just mark this out just because. See if we can find something today. We're looking for shorts. I want to see this closure first, and then we have this 15-minute as a breaker. I'm surprised we didn't want to retrace back up a little bit more, but yep, this is pretty bearish here. The last trade on stream got me to request on Top Step. My foot features Tradeify. Bless up. Let's go. Let's go. Smart only gives you 10%. I think you're talking about putting next. It's all inclusive. So the sell price is already like I think 30%, and then you get an extra 10. So like in total it would be 33% if you do the regular price. Because it's already marked down to begin with. Ooh, if we don't get this closure, NQ comes back up. NQ, I want to say, was the stronger asset, but that was a big drive. I mean, I think NQ is going to be still strong. So, if we don't get the closure, we could be looking for longs right now. I wanna wait for the structure to play out a little bit more before I try anything. Are you trading Funny next evals right now? I have the old one. I'm maxed out. I'm still waiting for the support to really just cancel my other accounts. I'm gonna try to nudge them today. I mean, I have time. I can just do the evals whenever, but I loaded up on the old ones, the legacy accounts, they call it now. And then they launched this. I'm like, shit. I mean, I could blow it myself, but like, I'm like, oh, can you just cancel it for me? how would you do new ones? I would just buy the 25Ks, to be honest. It just the preference for you. So like you either do 12 25Ks or you do 50Ks, and you try to work that way. I don't know if we get this closure. Closure's in 5 minutes here. This feels like it's gonna prop back up to me, and especially if we get through this break here, I might actually look for longs. I feel scared after buying the ones last week. Last week was still a good sale. This one is just like, it's just really different. But yeah, like the bright side is they increased the max allocation, so you could buy a lot more now. I think we play long here, guys. What do you guys think? You guys like longs? Longs, shorts or longs here? I think we play longs here. I just need to see this close above first, also on ES, and then I'm gonna play on the next move. Like this is not looking like it's want to close under. We wicked it and coming back up. That's holding pretty well. I have this on. Maybe I want to just warm up on evals because that's the plan for the AM session, anyways. It's gonna look something like this. I think I just want to just get this long. Oh, wrong way. Just put a shop under, and then we're going to go for kind of this high. So see if we can get like something like this inside this breaker. I'm gonna delete this top one because I think we already wicked it. So anything back inside the breaker, it's good for me. We got the closure here. That might have been the tap in that we're looking for. ES still hasn't got that closure either, so we have time. Feels weird to see you in AM session. Get used to it, buddy. We're gonna be running it. We're gonna run it tomorrow too. Oh yeah, and Desi's live too, by the way. Click him. All right, I'm likely gonna play some longs here. So I'm on evals right now. I'm gonna save my funded till I warm up on AM. I think if we get a really good setup on AM, we'll trade funded. But the purpose of me wanting to start AM is like I want to scale up, but I do have some evals to work with, so I'm gonna start copy trading some evals. And this is gonna be the first trade. So I guess I'm take profit, funded next. Trade day. Where the hell is trade day? Am I not logged in trade day? Oh, I didn't. Okay. I'm gonna log in trade day too. I'm gonna smack some longs here. And we're gonna put our stop just under. I'm playing more aggressive, by the way, for evals. Don't want to see this. But I think this is good here. Most likely gonna take some more. Yeah, I'll take another one. I'm taking a trade day for the next and gonna scalp my way to just past these if I can. I'm gonna put a hard stop on these lows. I don't want to see under these lows. Let me put this aside. Come back to entry. First one is coming back down here. Got the hard stop set. 53s. I want to see this dev play out though. I think we got the 15-minute closure. We didn't close under, so I feel good about it on the 15-minute time frame. And we have like a 1-minute structure here, so I like that this can play out here. I definitely had a higher average than I wanted because I was adding to it. Like I should be going for, I was playing like 69, but I have 73 average right now. So yeah, let's just try to work with what we got. If it was funded, I would wait for the best entry, and I don't care if I miss it. But I'm running a little more evals right now. So I hope you guys are, if you guys are playing this with me, be more patient too. Be aggressive with evals. Be very protective on funded. That's very important. And it's starting to turn back down. Wanted to see this work, but first trade on eval is getting cooked here. If we hit our stop. I don't want to see a candle closure under this breaker here, this breaker open. So that's like, that was getting very close to it. But it's still not looking the best right now. Yeah, the moment he gets a candle closure, I think I'm just gonna kill the trade. Or it hits my stop. Let's see. Reason I'm holding or trying the long is because we didn't get that confirmation for the flip lower yet. So I had to jab to play upside. Once we got that confirmation. But AM is a little tricky right now. It's just hanging around right now. It worked under, so this is definitely, we could move this stop to 57. Kind of what I'm considering right now. Most likely about to just kill this here. This is evals again. I have 4,500 drawdown. I'm trying to really see if I can pass it quickly, but shift this up to 57. Here's my average was, I had a good average initially, but I want to add to it. I want to see if I can just get the get a good day in the first trade. It's coming back up. Back to entry again. So didn't invalidate the breaker yet. Didn't go the swing low. I think we have good intention to see if we can go back to the internal high. That's where I'm looking at, like right here, basically. Draw higher. Unqueue. Yep. I was gonna hit my stop. I put my stop at this low again. Okay, yeah, I hit my stop. So we're down 1200 on these evals. If we hit the target, I would have been like probably up like 2700 on them. Like more than pieces. This is like nearly 2 hours, so. I'm gonna just close this out. I'm gonna hold off on trading funded on AM today and just work on seeing if I can find something for the evals. I want to recover this too. I guess we are looking for lower then. This closure is gonna show it to me. So now I wasn't really trying to make this a bearish breaker until we get this closure, and we got to miss that closure. So I don't know if that was like very pinpoint change in delivery here too. So I guess we got that change in delivery. I was kind of focused on the breaker. If I was focused this, we're gonna play this short, put our stop above, and just let it play down. Something that is a little tricky today because I'm looking at two things. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it pushing. We got a lot of time today. It's coming back up too. So yeah, I should be looking at this 15-minute structure then. I think the wrong thing I was looking at was if we didn't get the closure on the 15-minute yet, then we could be more bullish. But we also got the change in delivery closure already, and that should have been the focus. That's like actual validation instead of something that we didn't validate yet. So let's say if we're bearish, we want to leave this probably high here. I don't know where to play this though. It gotta be back up here, up above 70s. Do you think AM moves better than PM most days? It's just gonna be various. Depends. Because they're different styles. I personally like PM more, but you know, AM is also very nice. So if you're looking at shorts, I wouldn't be shorts under the breaker. I would at least look for anything above. That's like pretty good rule of thumb here. Was it this bearish breaker the whole time then? That actually has more alignment. That's interesting. That's good. This 50-minute closure here on this candle really helps it. What about slam for lower here? So yeah, still bearish overflow right now. That's what I'm kind of anticipating. And he was actually leading a bit more aggressive right now. This is like picture perfect. I should really focus on this. This is like one of the hindsight thing, but you know that's gonna be a lesson learned for me. Sometimes when I look at the breaker, I was like, we didn't get the break close, but we also got the change delivery. That should have been the focus. I was looking at like a double whammy. Still moving lower here. What do you guys think? You guys feel like we should, like at this point right now, are you more bullish or bearish here? Took a lot of those here. Bullish short term, then bearish. Or bearish. It's hard, yeah. 100 points sell off, hard short, chase shorts now. It's a pretty good sell off right now. Don't know. I can't play shorts down here without a good retracement. Top step changing something? I think it has a good chance to come back up. Whether that's just for a retracement or actually a change, a flip in the direction, but I think this is like tough to play shorts here. And I would like a nice retracement first before we consider shorts. What's up? What's up? It's looking good for shorts right now, or for longs right now. I'm most likely gonna play this long. Get the inversion here too. And now we got that closure that took out these lows. I think we can long this gap here. If you guys want to try this, we just basically see if we can play longs at this gap, stop under the low again. And it's like a BPR setup. Perhaps something like this. I'm not sure if this is gonna keep on failing for the longs, but I think I like it more because we took out London lows already, so I feel much better about this. But yeah, again, I'm playing evals. I'm working on a lot of evals for AM today, and then we're gonna, if we get a good setup for AM, then we'll take it funded. But right now, I just want to focus on evals and try to get warmed up on AM first. So bear with me here. Playing a handful of counts, and I'm playing very aggressive with them because I do want to pass them like quickly. So we're gonna see how this plays out. Just smack around here. I need to see this really propel higher. It's like just wicking back and forth on the 5. And the back entry here. If it hits this low, these evals are about to be very hard to bring back. I'll have like one more shot. These are 4,500 drawdown, I think. So it was like, you know, each trade I'm giving it about like 1,500, 1,200. It's just sitting here right now. Where is? What does chat think right now? Do you guys still like lower? And if you do, where are you playing lower? Because I want to see if I can play this long and see if we come back up first. We could even like do something like this. One more drive, back up, and then play for lower. I don't think I like shorties down here yet. ES is actually just like starting to just sell off slowly. I mean, he's holding a little bit right now, but we need really follow through right now. We haven't had that. Let's see if we can get some follow through here on this closure. Looking good. Okay. Let's see if we can get spiked above 70s here, 570s. Get this money back. Didn't get there yet. I'm looking for kind of above 70s right now. It can come back down to 60s, but I want to, if it does, I want to see it hold the 60s right here. 61, 62s. I want to see if it holds and come back up and spike above 72s, which is that 15-minute like area of structure. Struggling right there. This ES is not really trying to pull this back up. Right back down. So now we have another low here made. I want to see if it does want to hold this SMT. He's not feeling it right now, to be honest. I'm just waiting to see if we can get some follow through. Came back to entry and then else come back up. Right back down here. I don't know if I like this anymore, to be honest. It is really too slow. It's not really moving. I want to give it like the next few candles here. I'm most likely just going to close this out even here. I had the same exact entry for 58, stop at, I think, 42s, 43s, so it was like a 16-point stop. It keep on coming up, so I was like doing like 10 points up. I was looking for a spike. I'm just going to have to kill that trade. It's just too choppy right now. Let me look at chat here. Sorry, I was kind of trying to see if I can figure out what we could do here. How much for the funded next 25k rapid challenge can we purchase? You can do 12 accounts, 300k max allocation. Isn't it best to just trade straight to funded for a prop instead of evals? Yes, but you know, straight to funded are very expensive too, by the way. They're not cheap. It's holding. It's coming back. Damn. That was lame. It just came straight back up. This is exactly what I wanted earlier. It's okay. We're gonna have some time. I think we'll find some time to look for more trades. I'm not that bullish above here, to be honest, though. I think we're very close to looking at this flip back down. That would be the first TP area that I was looking at. Then see if we can get somewhat 80s, 580s here. Short around 590, 600. I'm kind of looking at the same thing, I think. Do we want to play shorts now, or should we wait for this to drive up more? I would like to let us see drive up more first. How do you switch from TPT Pro account to Pro Plus? You get the email and then you just gotta talk to their, or send a what is it? You have a TPT. Oh well, do you even have the email that basically says you're gonna be moved live? Because if not, you don't have to worry about it. But if you do, then you just basically send them a message like, "Can you activate my Pro account to Pro Plus?" They tell you in the instructions, so I don't think that should be that hard. You gotta wait for the email first. That makes sense. Damn, what a big flip here. Sure, we could have looked at shorts right there. I'm getting very close to just max shorts then. Difficult day for the first AM, to be honest. That inversion closure is so deep. Oh, I should this is already gone. Well, it's back that entry anyway, so I mean, we could have got first TP. We held that previous trade. We got just close. Like, I wanted to see if we can just spike to 580s first, but it's just very, very bearish today. I think we're about to just tank pretty hard here. How's everyone feeling today? I don't really like any current trades yet. I wanted it to short very well if we can get inside this breaker, but take out the previous wick too. We didn't do that, so that's the thing there. Took it at a low here, so another SMT made. Just don't really see any clean setups while we're just shopping around here yet. So you guys just hang tight. This comes back up. Kind of crazy if it does. All the way back up. I feel like I'm banking on it going lower, but I can see one more spike first. We keep on getting very lackluster moves. So like you can see like now we have like some lower highs being built. Like I don't know why we are kind of getting held off right there. Because I would have liked the shorts if we can just push up, take that high, and then flip back down. Because we're taking every low here, by the way. We just haven't took any of the highs yet. Yeah, I still like this play here, where we just long up, and then we can play for shorts. Most likely can be looking for longs here again. This is really piss poor right now. Very, very choppy. Looks like ES is trying to take another stab lower. Really just slow price action today. I'm doing PM session too. You chose the bad day start AM. I honestly did. This is like, jeez. Is this how AM's usually like, guys? This shit is worse than PM. $150 to get payouts now. I guess that's cool. I think we're about to take Asia lows here on the ES, right? That's probably where we're really trying to aim here. Every shorts is playing out very nicely though. I'm kind of like, the only thing is like I want, like, every time I look for shorts, I'm like, can we get one more leg higher? And it misses it. We just took lows here. I don't think it's ready to break yet, but could be wrong. We're just leaving a lot of these highs every move down. We took this wick here too. So now we have ES going to this gap here. Where's the hour? Okay, we're in the hourly here. Let's see if we can get in the breaker on ES2. Might be looking at something like this. This looks like the next high time frame, and we can also look for low time frame. But I want to see this hold. This is probably the next long area for me. I kind of missed the short because I was waiting for it, but so I'm gonna see if we can get a flip here. If we get a flip, I'll actually play it. I'm gonna go in 30 here. This is like the general structure. You want to be stop under the breaker low and let this play. I think I'm gonna take one here. I'm gonna play on evals and on my apex. The stop is a little bit interesting. Gonna see if we can still keep the hourly here. There's like basically under 500, and see if we can go for a spike back up. So let me see how we can play this. We flip this 30-second. That's something that we could also just smack in. So this is what I'm basically looking at also. This is the hourly BPR on ES, and then we have this hourly breaker on NQ. You want to keep your stop under the breaker. If it's too large, then you can just put in the lower quadrant of it. But I kind of like this play right now. I'm gonna take this on eval, and I'm gonna get this on funded if it works out too. So I'm gonna try this on funded next. Let's just see how that plays out. It's just back here. I'll put this aside. Ideally want to see that closure first, but I feel pretty decent in this area, so I'm gonna play for it. It's up to you. You want to play with it too. I need $1,000. So what is that? $1,000 passes. What is that, chat? 1,000 times 2 divide by 2 divided by 20, right? So you need 25 points. What's 25 points above? 47. 47 and a half. If it hits it, we'll get something. Does rapid have activation? No, it doesn't. It's better that way. I could be wrong about this, Shad, but I feel like this is a good area. Like I always look at when it's like choppy, where's a good area for longs? Where's there a good area for shorts? This feels like a good area for longs because of the hourly structure again. Just dipping the hourly 4-hour for value gap. Let me move this aside. I have a 22. Yeah, so we're back inside the 4-hour here. We're also in the hourly. If this is really bearish, we'll get through this and that'll be pretty bad for on the higher time frame. So I'm gonna see if this wants to hold. So I have at 22s. Not much I can really do except let it play out. I need to see a move soon though. I don't like to see a consolidate like this. Like we have good area here, but it's like refusing to break above. Let's swap this to the 1 minute here. If we can break above, we will have a lot more juice to really come back up. Look at 47, 27, 25 points. What's the head setup for long? It's the hourly structure. Hourly breaker. Hope that this actually comes to our favor because it's been so slow today. It's not bad to have some hope, right? You can really go for the 25k or the 50k. I don't think it really matters at all. It's just up to your preference at this point. If you fail and find a next account, does it reset or does it close instantly and you can buy another one? Because I know it's cheaper to buy than to reset. Short, I said 635. Yeah, 635. So freaking high up. If you got that short, that's crazy. That was like high of the session. Let's get this push. 25 points. Not asking for much, am I right? I should put this above. 7 more points and we'll pass. Oh my goodness, come on. Imagine it doesn't want to pass me. It'd be freaking insane. It was obvious EOS was lagging. I hope you put your house on it. It was obvious. That's always what I say. No, but I did short in the morning though. I short for swings. This is like not for scalping. Around the area that you're looking at. I think it was like 630, 640s. Let me see if I can pull it up. Where we got? Come on, we gotta push this. It got so close. Come on. Gotta believe. Gotta believe for a good bounce here. Ah, come on. This is so lame if it comes back. Like, how? It was just like at 42. Like, this is going to be 5 points away from passing. Up 20 points. And then we're going to just fail. This piece is going to dump like 30 points down. RIP. Back at entry. See, this is why I mean I didn't really have a target in mind, but for TP's sake, like I could have like definitely took some trims. I was just going for what I need to pass rather than like looking at like I don't know, like I guess green stop, trim, etc., etc. I usually do that, but for evals, I always tend to, yeah, I guess do that. All I wanted was 47 for 5 points away, but where we're at 11 o'clock already. You risk an account? Probably not. I'm probably gonna close it if it decides to go below my entry and and hold below. We're for the most part of this entry, we've been mostly above in profit. So the first time we're gonna be below, and I just want to make sure if we actually want to stay below. So I still like this hourly structure here. And I was going for $1,000, so we're down to 280 right now. Yeah, we're getting a big spike down right now. Keeping it under here, but not like the best already. Do we close this chat? Close or hold? This is for evals here. We're fighting next. You literally saw me like up 750 and I need $1,000 and then we're turning. Jeez, today is weird. Just close it short. I'm more glad that I was just... I mean, today is just a very bad session to me, or for a AM read. I don't really trade AM often, but if it's this, like this often, it's gonna be difficult. It's gonna take some time for me to adapt to this. But yeah, we'll have to see. I came to session like, I'm gonna trade AM, but I'm gonna try to do it so I can pass some evals. We're getting cooked on. We almost passed though. I'm sure you guys maybe would have tried to TP'd instead, but I just put a hard TP at my pass area, which is the wrong thing. I should have just TP'd and put break even, because the moment it hits break even, usually for most of my trades, I don't like it anymore. You came with bias. Yeah, I guess I did. But I like shorts too. I like shorts a lot. It just, we didn't really get anything for shorts for the most part. I wanted like more of a delivery back up before we played down. We kind of missed it. Yeah, but we're like 20 points up. That's like 800, I think, on 2 minis. And we just need a few more points. They didn't bless us. Potential this still holds, but this is like a very strong high time frame area. You use 2 minis on 25k. This is evals and it's 50ks, by the way. I can use 3 if I max up. But honestly, this is the old account. I was like 1,000 away from passing it. But I might just let it run. And if I fail it, I can just buy the rapid. We'll see if that's the right move, because I do want to try rapid with you guys. But I'm kind of maxed out on it, and support is not really trying to cancel it for me right now, or not yet at least. Rapid would be pretty easy to pass because you can pass in 1 day. You know, these accounts I can't pass in 1 day. There's days where I wanted to, but I have to stop. Going right back up now. You think rapid evals are the best evals that have payout caps versus other payout caps? I think so, but here's the thing though. I would even kind of call them with payout caps because you after 5 payouts, just like Apex, it's uncapped, and you can do that under a month. Why? It's because you can get payouts every 3 days. So let's say 3 days payout, 3 days payout, 3 days payout, and then you'd be uncapped already. So like it's not really a payout cap if you can get uncapped in under a month. Not even 1 month. It's like under a month. It's like 15 days. So that's why I have my mind. Like I can think of like this. What if you just run it up quickly, like the first few days, and then like I don't know, accumulate like 5,000 on 12 accounts. That's 60,000 already, and then you can start just doing those payout caps. Like oh, take 1,000, take 1,000, take 1,000, take 1,000 5 times, and then you can be uncapped. You can take all of it if you want. So I do like that aspect, to be honest. Tried your code on funded features. It was 10% off. What the heck? Is it 10%? Can you post a picture in the Discord? 10% doesn't make sense. How the hell is this? Oh, funded next. Oh, you're talking about funded next. Okay. So the reason it's 10% is because it's already marked down to begin with. Let me just try to pull this up while we're waiting for this trade. If you look at it here, I'm gonna try to pull it up here. It's at $53. This is the regular price. Regular price is at $79. So when you have the launch price at $59 plus a 10% discount, it goes to 33%. I think if you do the math. Plus a cashback too, you get another 5% back. So it really goes up to like 35+%. So that's how I did the math with 33% here. Yeah, 33%. If you're wondering. $53 with no activation fee is unheard of. That's something I kind of helped build because I was gathering you guys' feedbacks. Like I said yesterday, I was like basically asking like, what would you guys want from Funded Next if they made a new plan for you guys to buy? You guys said cheap and 1-day pass, and this is what they came up with. Can you pass Funded Next futures rapid challenge on news like CPI? Is there a news trading rule? I didn't think about that because it wasn't 1-day pass yet, but now there is. So Funded Next futures news trading. Let's see if the AI gets it before I even look at it. I feel like they have a rule where you can't exploit it or something like that. But I don't know. Does not impose, so there's no restrictions. I guess there's no restrictions. It's a good question because we are also trying to trade it with 1-day pass. It's the 100% profit split, how they make money. You know Apex does the same thing, right? Apex is also 100% profit split. I'm looking at taking out here, but I'm okay with letting the account for Funded Next just blow at this rate. This is like an hourly structure. I do like the structure. But prop firms don't make money on the split, by the way. Just to give you guys some clarity, like no firms make money on splits. They just do that to pay people less. They make more money on fees. I'm getting cooked on this eval. Yeah, dude, today is a bad day for fun or for evals. You keep on trying to time the bottom. I guess, man. I'm playing an eval, so I'm playing more aggressive mindset, but like I'm also trying to play with my protocols. If I wanted shorts, I need shorts to come up to a certain area. And every time it just doesn't go to that area, which is a little bit annoying. But it is what it is. Damn, this is a high time frame that's gonna really break the structure here. That's disgusting. Well, I'm getting cooked in evals. I think I get cooked if we go another like 12 points. I need to get some food too. Usually I'd be eating now, but I'm stream, so. What were you ordering, chat? Yeah, I think I picked a bad day to do AM because yeah, it's hard for me to just jump in shorts. Well, we did go all-time highs, right? Even though it's SMT, that makes it clear that we can play lower, but I'm also looking for a good flip, good retracement, and it's like every retracement has been not there for me. It's a shame. But how you guys doing today? I think some people in chat said they played some shorts. That was good. Waffles and caviar. I can't be eating caviar right now. I gotta be eating like rice and beans. Yeah, but I think we'll probably wrap this up at 12, and then we come back to 1, and then that's when I want to try to lock in to trade again, or PM. PM is my bread and butter. I think it was a good call to not play anything unfunded, while I was trading evals. And I played it awful too. But I always try to keep note of like what I could have done better or what I've missed, like hindsight review. And I think I know what happened. This is difficult too. We have 40 more minutes. You guys wanted AM. I give it some time though. I think this week is a little bit tricky because we have FMC, we have non-farm payroll. We want to be very careful. But I do plan on doing AM frequently. And if you guys see my PM hit rate, we've been killing PM. It's gonna take some. I guess it will take some more time to recalibrate and make sure I know what I'm doing for AM, because I don't think it's just the session itself. It's just weird price action. Is my chart frozen? My Ninja Trader is like being weird right now. This is what my Ninja Trader is saying. Like, price is not at 502. It just froze. How do I unfreeze this? It actually just gave up. It checked out. I gotta restart my Ninja. We'll do some giveaways though, guys. Something I want to do more is, if I have a bad day, I'll make up for it with giveaways. How's high time frame? Oh, we're looking like we're gonna definitely get a nice retrace here. You longed into 5-minute fair value gap. Usually wait for a flip before going long. Was it 5-minute fair value gap? I wasn't really going for 5 minutes. I was going for the hourly. I don't really care about this gap, so I was just going based off this. If I take this trade as a swing trade, this trade was the one time it failed. It usually doesn't fail as hard, where you see a large hourly structure and higher time frame is bullish. But I guess this is the only time where you go all time high and it flips. All right, let me connect back. Connect up. We're gonna have to wrap this up soon though. I don't think I'll have to come back for PM. Are you trading PM? Yeah, I'm gonna be back for PM, guys. Let's do a giveaway today. What do you guys want to do? What do you guys want? Since we did poor, let's do a direct funded on Tradeify. Is that good? What should we do? How should we play it, guys? I want to make it as random as possible. I think we have to pull up the number generator. So we're gonna do guess one time 250 to 500. One time. Or no, yeah, that's fine. 250 to 500. If you guess more than one time, I promise you're not gonna get nothing, and you're gonna be sad. All right, when should we roll it? Should I roll just a bit of it? So let's see. Okay, I have the number. I have the number. And we'll just take a look now. First person to get it. First person to get it. Is that too big though? 250 might be too big. Because I don't know if anyone will get it. I'll do if you're within 1 point down. Oh no. I'm looking. No one's getting it. Okay. First person gets it right now. You guys can guess multiple. You guys can guess one more time. Second guess. The first number is a 4. You guys can see. So how are you guys guessing 200 still when you guys see the first number is a 4? Can you not see that? Oh, you guys can't see that. Okay, there he goes. I see it on my screen, but OBS blocks it. I thought I showed you guys already the first snippet. Dude, I don't think anyone's getting it. I mean, it's moving fast right now. I'm just gonna pull it up. I think maybe I missed it already, but I tried very hard and no one, I don't think anyone got it. Someone got like 453. This is a bust here, I feel like. Yeah, this is a bust. This is first rate to fund it, guys, so I want to make this good. No, I don't think anyone said 450 in time, to be honest. This is a bust. We gotta do a different one. You said 45? This is not 45. This is 450, buddy. How should we do this? We gotta do on Discord. Let's just do in Discord so we can guarantee a winner. In the general chat, you just like this, and then we're just gonna okay, we'll do this golden like then. You guys are capping. You guys said I said 450. I said 450. I think I'm just gonna spin it randomly and stop at whoever. Let's just do that so we can guarantee a winner. Whoa, we are dumping. We are dumping, chat. Holy moly. Damn, this guy faded me too. Oh, you were short from way up though. That was good short. $87, 86 people. When do we want to start it? Do you want to start it now? We're dumping. Let's get 5 more now, so we'll start it. No. Few more. Okay, we'll start. Oh. Okay, we're at 108 right now. We'll do 2 winners then. One straight to funded. This one is for funded next, and the other one's for straight to funded. So I'm just gonna scroll. I'm gonna scroll, and we're gonna stop this guy. Push with bull. You won a regular one, and then we have to do the straight to funded now. This is. I'm just gonna scroll. I'm gonna look down if you guys think I'm cheating, and we're gonna stop this guy. Invest downtown. instant funded regular account. Is that the username? Which one's the username? Okay, I'm gonna type both. Same spot. Do you think I want to target the same person? we're gonna run it back PM, guys. So be back 1 PM. I'm gonna try to lock in. I'm gonna try to get some trades on fundeds and whatnot. I got cooked on evals, not gonna lie. But that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in 90 minutes.